Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today I just got a new pedal and it's got me excited. It's made by CWMorse and they brand themselves as Morse code keys made in the US, and you can find them at CWMorse.us. Stick around and I'll tell you about it. Meanwhile, listen to my buddy Warren play that guitar. The other day on my way to Lowe's, I was going to Lowe's to pick up some parts to ground my station. I stopped at the post office and this is what was in the box. I had kind of forgotten I had ordered it. I'd always coveted the N0SA paddle, but I was always late to the party and I could never get my hands on one. It seems that they would come out and everybody would get excited about them and you'd email them and he'd already sold out. For those of us that kept missing the boat, somebody came up with the bright idea of putting N0SA together with CWMorse. Someone probably knows the story better than I, but here's the case, guys. Now we too can have a paddle designed by N0SA. You find these paddles at CWMorse.us, all one word. Charlie Whiskey Mike Ocean Romeo Sierra Echo Uniform Sierra. And go to the section for outdoor paddles and scroll down to what they call the SP4 Pota Soda CWMorse Magnetic Iambic Double Paddle. And it's designed by N0SA. We've all seen those paddles. He makes his paddles in, I believe, aluminum, steel, gold. They're just pieces of artwork. So this is a super lightweight, portable, compact paddle, and it has magnetic return, and there are plastic pieces, I think 3D printed, but I might be wrong, but this is well put together, and stainless steel contacts. I think this is going to be a great paddle for portable operations. I'm going to let Charlie, Red Summit RF, do the review because he knows how to do it better than I do. They provide 3M dual lock Velcro, the plastic hook and loop type, the heavy duty kind. Basically, it's about 1.7 ounces, 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches by 1 inch. And I have adjusted the spacing to the way I like it. And it's an excellent paddle. I just made 3 contacts, parks on the air from the truck here. And I figured I'd make a video from the truck. CWMorse offers this steel base for desktop use. The paddle itself doesn't have any magnets for attachment. The only magnet is for the paddle return. That's where this industrial strength hook and loop comes into play. Thanks for stopping by, guys. If you know someone who needs a paddle, share this with them. Someone who wants to know about this particular paddle, please share. Please like and subscribe. The steel base, perfect for use with my Bengali adventure in the house, so I'm not going to use it in the truck. In the end, I just decided, let me turn this volume down. In the end, I just decided to mount right on the edge here, and I put these 2 strips on there, so at least I'll have a good finger grip when I'm hand holding. Again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking your time. See you out there.